Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 56 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. We're continuing with exercises on 3 notes with exercise number 78 and 79, which are also inversion pairs.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So really feel the influence of the breath in these next exercises on the rhythm so that you're feeling that triplet feeling, always making sure that there's accuracy of intonation and correctness of registration as you go up and down the scale. Here is exercise 78. And here is exercise 79. It feels always so funny for me to do these exercises after we did those ones earlier that were so super fast and super tricky. I'm like, oh, these are so easy. But you know what? I think that she actually sets it up kind of like that. I think you should be going, kind of stretching yourself technically and then coming back and being like, I got this. All right, stretch yourself a little bit more and I got this. And I think that's kind of the flow and how she plans that out, which is actually kind of ingenious.